What's good, YouTube? It's your boy potionty, and we're back at it with another video. And if it ain't good, then it's nice. Then it's nice indeed, family. I ain't even about a cap. Like, it's been a while since I dropped the video. Like, I recorded a video like a couple of days ago, and then like the codec of the video and the format of the video didn't want to open in my video editor, so like I had to disregard that whole video, and it was like 16 minutes, so like I had to disregard that whole video. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about the defaults and stuff like that. I'm just trying to make up for like all of last time, because like it's been a while since I actually dropped a proper video, not music but like a proper video, you know, very informative videos. It's been like a while. So today's video is actually one of the topics that popped up by one of my subscribers, by one of the subscribers to the channel. So the question was, the topic is like, how do you get your packs into FL Studio? Right, so we're gonna get into that in a minute. Before we get into that, like, make sure you click subscribe, click the like button, you know, comment down below what videos you want to see, you know what I'm saying? So to like make sure like this channel is like for everyone, you know what I'm saying? This channel is supposed to be an educational channel so that you can learn a lot, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna get into the video. So basically I'm gonna show you how do you get your packs today. Let's see, don't I have any packs here on my desktop? No, I don't. Okay, so but anyway, let's use this math folder for example. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy that folder, and what you want to do is you want to paste it into your FL Studio 20 folder, your FL Studio 20 folder basically, right? But like in the methods I'm gonna show you guys today, I'm gonna show you two methods, right? So I'm gonna show you two methods, and then yeah, you'll basically see from there which one you wanna choose, you know what I'm saying, which one is easier for you, which one looks best for you. But anyway, in the first method I'm gonna show you is the folder method. And then okay, I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I opened up FL Studio, because I already have FL Studio open right here. So what you want to do is you want to right click and you want to click on open file location, right? You want to click on open file location. So from there, what you're gonna do is you want to go to your data, right? And then patches, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add it here, right? But if you wanna like have your stuff sorted, you can go to the packs folder, and then you can add your packs there, right? But the method what I generally do is, if I get a pack, I'm just gonna add it here. Let's say we call that math, right? And then we're just gonna close that, and then we're gonna open here in FL Studio, and then you'll see it somewhere here. There it is, math, but there's no packs in there, right? There's no like audio sounds and waveformats and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the first method. And then in the second method, so the second method I feel like is more complicated and is more for people that are lazy to like transport their packs to, you know, FL Studio and stuff like that. But what you're gonna do is in the second pack, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna first open your wave, like whatever this is called. I forgot the name for it now. What do we call it? Your sample setting, right? And then this is gonna pop up, so you're just gonna click on your sound over there, and then you're just gonna click on the folder, right? And then That's gonna allow you to locate to the folder that you want to find the sound you want to put in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, that's basically it for that video, guys. I hope it was very informative and I hope it was very educational. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe right now. I have really great things coming up on the channel, so you actually don't want to miss out. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, turn on post notifications to make sure that every time I drop a video you get the video, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that is it for from me today, guys. Yeah, this is your boy Mr. If It Ain't Good and It's Nice, signing out. Peace, brothers and sisters.